Hi guys, welcome to my channel. If you're a new subscriber, I'd like to thank you for subscribing. Any existing subscribers, I'd like to thank you as well for your time and patience, having a look at my videos and giving me some good feedback. Today we're going to have a little look at the WERA Zyklop set. It's the 1/4" ratchet set and the small stubby screwdriver set, which I use quite a bit of. The ratchet set, sometimes I forget I got it, but it's always handy to have as a backup or indeed as a functioning tool. As normal, you get a brilliant WERA quality Velcro strip on the back. That is for the WERA to go system, or if you do want to put the Velcro on any other bag, just zap it on the side and it does hold very good. You normally get the Velcro in the box. I believe there is one in there with that. But again, excellent quality here. Brilliant WERA quality. Get what you pay for with WERA. I'm a big fan of all of their screwdrivers. I even like the bags. Their bags are brilliant, but at the moment Vito's got me, so I'm a bit of a Vito fan at the moment. But anyway, back to WERA. Get what you pay for, quality. And if you just have a little look there, I'll just lower it down. You've got your 1/4" ratchet, you've got your long extension, your small bar, and then you've got your other bit for these bits along here. You've got 5mm to 13mm in the socket set. Fits on very nice indeed. Just get a little zoom in on that. And the grip on it is brilliant. It's only a small one, but it's amazing how much you can actually get the power on. The direction button, if you look, is the little WERA grip there. And the sockets do stay in, everything stays in. So even with it open, you're not going to drop much anywhere. Fits on like that, and that's a nice extension. Is, you know it's on, you know it's fitted, and you can get a very good grip of it. Smaller one, if you want to use a small one. Then if you need a bit of power, you've got this application here. So you've got all your popular screwdriver bits, and you've got some of your TX here, sorry. They are in very tough indeed. So you've got Torx 10 there. Fits in perfect. Ooh. He says. Let's have another go. That is not what I planned. Anyway, I think it's me. There you go. I'm actually going to leave that in the video because that was quite not funny, but everyday occurrences. Chris can't even get it in there properly. So, put that back in there. I won't be doing many of them on the review if I'm going to have that sort of trouble. But that is a very little handy set. I think that one was retailing for about £55-ish. Now let's have a look at the little stubby set. This. I love this, it's great. For what it is, it's brilliant. And what I sometimes do as well, I'll pop it in the front there. Just show you it fits in the TP3B. It's in there like that. Lovely. Got to take that off, otherwise it just hits the top there, which again isn't a problem, but go for this to build up. This, another good quality set, really tough material, the way we use for their bits and pieces. That was easier. And this little Stubby, bro, little lifesaver. We need to get down behind something, you know, hard access, difficult access, does the job. And obviously you can put any bit in there. It comes with then 9 bits there. That's a micro, that's very small. I wouldn't mind it coming with a few more, you know, Posi, Phillips. Seems to be quite a lot of the blade ones, but you can change that as however you want it. You know, that's just what it comes with. There you go. It's that little set. That little set. So that goes in there. That goes in there. That goes in there. There you have it. The WERA Zyklop. That code is 8100. And the WERA Stubby, that's the ESD1, 10 pieces altogether in that, including the pouch. I think that one was retailing for about £27. That one I believe was about £55, £57 on Amazon. Bound to be able to get some deals better somewhere else, but that's it for today. I'm just going to upload the video. Hope you like it. I'd like to thank Dan's Tool Room as well for a mention I had on his channel the other day. If you don't follow Dan, give him a follow. I'll put his link to his YouTube channel in my description. Thanks guys, cheers.